One.
Hey guys, Sean, Matt and Dan here from McGrath, Ballarat. We haven't been on for a while, so we thought we would take the opportunity this afternoon to jump on and give everyone a little bit of an update. Of course, a lot of changes since we probably last spoke. So Melbourne in stage 4 lockdowns, us guys here in stage 3 locally. And the question still remains, what's going on? What are we seeing at the moment? What do we think is going to happen? And so we thought we'd jump on and give you all a little bit of a snapshot of what we're seeing.
Yeah, I think first and foremost for us internally here at McGrath Ballarat, we had our best month ever in July this year. The market conditions around that time were extremely strong. We're experiencing very high demand coming out of Melbourne at that point in time. And we did feel the effect of the restrictions coming back in a little bit just in the first couple of weeks there. But certainly over the course of the last couple of weeks, again, we felt that more and more people have started to venture back into the marketplace. And I think that over the next fortnight, when we start to see restrictions eased again, obviously here in Ballarat and hopefully in Melbourne and abroad, that the upturn in our market will be significant. So,
yeah, we're certainly seeing the stats from across the board, across different sources of not only Ballarat, but your regional centres like your Bendigos and even Geelong as well. That the search for those regional areas on your major sort of websites has gone through the roof. So while people are sitting at home, they're thinking about the lifestyle change. They realise that they don't necessarily have to live in the capital area. So they're looking further abroad for value and for space. So whilst the demand's there at the moment, the supply probably isn't. There's been a lot less listings come on this year for you guys in residential and for myself and Jackie in the country and lifestyle. That's certainly, as soon as they're allowed out of Melbourne, I think there'll be a big surge to go regional. And so if there was ever a time to be seen on the market, it'd probably be in the next month or so while people are preparing to gear up and to get ready before, if they buy in the next month or two, they can be in by Christmas or by the new school year and have their kids sorted out for next year.
Yeah, and it's not just that Melbourne move. We all sort of think and feel that that'll definitely come off the back of this. But at the moment, the market's been propped up a lot by the locals. So especially while the lockdown has been on, we're still attracting a huge amount of buyers to properties because there's nothing really coming on the market for them to choose from, or very limited stock coming on. So when new ones do hit, they sort of fight it out. And we've had a few this week and a few in the last couple of weeks that have sort of gone where we might have had 4 or 5 people fight it out in the end. So
yeah, and you're still not seeing, yourselves and myself are still not seeing that I suppose the benefit of not being able to do open homes and the benefit of the restrictions that we've got is that you can only do one-on-one inspections and that you don't have just the browsers looking around. So there seems to be a better strike rate for sellers. They might have less volume of people through the door, but you're a higher chance of getting an offer.
Yeah, definitely the time wasters at the moment with people that are just coming around for a look. People that are coming through are genuinely looking to buy a house.
Yeah, I think that obviously with everyone being at home at the moment, the other thing there is that people are actually looking at their lives holistically and wondering whether this is where they actually want to be long term. I think that there's definitely been a different spin on things with everything going on with COVID this year. People have question more than ever where they're going in life and where they are at the moment, whether they're happy where they are, and certainly whether their home suits their lifestyle moving forward. So definitely everyone's been at home a little bit more. There's been much more eyes on devices, and obviously it gets people thinking whether they want to make a shift or not. So it's a great time to hit the market while there's plenty of eyes on devices at home. So
the weather's starting to pick up. The grass is still green. The dams are all full. So it's a good time of year to present a property. Everything's looking good and the demand's certainly there. So if anybody has been thinking about selling, whether it's residential or country and lifestyle, certainly need to start that conversation this month in September. Whether you're on this month or next, it probably won't be, it's not too late if you're in October, but you do need to start getting things organised and start getting that advice about the things you should do to get your place ready if you haven't already done that.
Yeah, absolutely.
No worries, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you need us, give us a call or hit us up on the McGrath Ballarat Facebook page. Cheers.
See you soon. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.